Hey, it's your boy Snacky Nacky coming back at you. All right, so sorry it's been a little while since I made my last video. Had a brother from another mother come up for the weekend. I was gonna make a bunch of videos, but we just got a little crazy. So, so here I am. Another beautiful Tuesday. It's raining outside. But yeah, that's the way it goes. So, but today's gonna be a little bit different. Again, try to mix things up. So, trying to keep those lights down low. We'll try that. I want to try to keep the clock. Somebody mentioned they like the clock to see how long to burn and how long these last. But all right, well. Today, I got this from Eddie Pullen, but an awesome grower. This is the chocolate Jigsaw pepper. I mean, look at that mug. I mean, whew. I don't know much about it. Besides, it's hot. I mean, even Johnny Scoville said it's hot. So, I tried to look online to do some research on it, and it says part of the Ripper. Ripper? Do you mean Reaper? Category, but like 1 to 2 million Scoville units. But you know, they didn't really talk about too much about it. So if anybody knows more in depth about this, comment down below. But also, while you're commenting, like, follow, thumbs up, share, subscribe, follow, Facebook, YouTube, Snacky Nacky. All right, let's keep the love going, okay? So, I gotta be straight up and honest with you, okay? I'm not a professional. I'm just a big guy that likes doing big guy things, and one of them is trying to new peppers. Okay, I never heard of this pepper. Okay, there's so many new peppers out there, and I never heard of. I'm just used to the basics, you know, jalapeno, serrano, Thai pepper, habanero, ghost pepper, scorpion, now the reaper. So the basics. So all these cross stuff, I never heard of. So. But I tell you one thing. There's no way this big guy is going to be able to eat this whole pod. If you watched my last 2 videos ago when I ate the Trinidad Moraga scorpion pepper, that wrecked me. So I know this is hotter than that. So, if you think I'm going to put this whole thing in this, you could call me a wuss and all that stuff, you know, whatever. So, but I am going to try some, see how it goes, and if it's not that bad, I'll keep trying it, okay, till I can't do it no more. All right, so, but this is from Eddie Pullen. Great job. This thing is huge. I'm scared. I mean, it's all, those wrinkles and just, ugh. I got milk here. Ooh. For the love of the Batman, Wayne. Orange juice, banana, water. So, but, yeah, I'm not going to be able to eat this whole thing. Just guarantee that. Don't be disappointed. It'll be okay. Life will continue. I promise. Well, this thing takes me out. Whew. Wow, this is just layers of wicked. I am cutting it. Oh man, the smell already. Wow. Instant floral. Jeez. I mean, look inside that mug. Whoa. I mean, I can tell this is going to be hot. I mean, that as soon as I cut it, it's like whew, vapor of the floral strong smell. So, well, you got to build your tolerance up. Eat the whole pod. No. Baby steps. Okay, so I'm just gonna try a piece of this, okay? Because I know it's gonna wreck me. I know it's gonna be hotter than the Scorpion. I know that. I'm not dumb. So it'd be dumb if I knew that and I'm not up to that heat level yet to put the whole thing in my mouth. Trust me, you're going to get effects just from a piece, okay? I guarantee that, okay? So, don't hate. Don't hate me. Love me, okay? Love. Because this is new to me, man. All these new breed stuff and chocolate. I'm thinking, Hershey's, Nestle Crunch Bars or Twix or Snickers. Not chocolate heat insane Jigsaw pepper stuff, okay? So, give a little brother some love, okay? I'm getting there. Yes, I'm going to try it, okay? I'm going to try it now. So, I just got the tip. The tip. So, and a little bit above, okay? It's really oily already. I mean, I just cutting it, it's just gushing. Good Lord. Whew. All right, I love y'all. Please, please, I'm begging you to follow, subscribe, share. It is 8:02. Clock back there. Might be a little bit different from what I'm looking at, but it's around the same time. So, call me a wuss. I don't care. Call it. Call it. I dare it. Call it. Come on. I get my milk ready, man. Open that mug up. All right. Love y'all. Oh yeah, instant heat. Holy crap. Oh yeah. Whoa. Yeah, if I ate the whole pot, I'd be... my mouth is just numb. Instant pain all around my mouth. Man, this is just a tip that I ate, folks. Instant sweating. Eyes are watering. And it just keeps going in waves. The heat just woo. It's like it goes away a little bit and boom, comes back. Goes away a little bit, boom, comes back. Sorry not to talk. Mouth is salivating. Try to build some heat. I mean some spit. Holy buckets. Wow. Milk just made it hotter. Oh boy. Like milk will calm it down, but then once you swallow the milk and it goes away, that heat comes right back. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't eat that whole thing. I mean, man, it just like penetrates in the tongue, just stays there. Oh, all right. Yeah. Drink some milk, like, okay. All is calm, and all of a sudden he comes back. But it's staying in the tongue. I got a little bit of the back of my mouth, but it's mostly in my tongue. Ah. I mean, very floral. Wow. I mean, just look at that. That's insane. I don't know if it's up there with the Reaper. I had a tip of a Reaper once, and I swear to God, I saw stars. I thought I was gonna take my last breath. That's a strong smelling pepper. My gosh. I want to take another piece for y'all. Where are we at? 15? Alright. Don't want to make these too long. All right. Whew. All right, here's another piece. It's a little piece. Building up, man, okay? I'm starting. Eating more than I thought. Just get you. I mean, it's amazing how glossy it is in there. And liquid. Holy buckets. Ah. What time is it? 17 minutes. 18 minutes. Whew. All right, I'll push limits one more time, man. I almost hate half the pepper, so ate way more than I thought I could handle. Doesn't make it any more enjoyable. Ay, chapura. Oh. You got a burn right there. All right. Yeah, this pepper ain't no joke. No joke. Oh man, it's burning my face right there. Good job, Eddie. This is hot. Get him on Facebook. Eddie pulling. Alright. I think we'll call it 20 minutes. It's hot. It's burning. Glad I eat the whole pod. Oh. So, like, share, comment, follow, subscribe. Oh man, it's burning inside of my throat. Alright, there's a snacky nacky coming back at you.